Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how to create Instagram post on different niches. You can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and also sell this service to local clients, and you can also reach out to the websites related to your niche and ask them that you can ask them your service, offer your service, and ask them that you can maintain their Instagram presence properly. So let's get started. In today's video I will teach you how you can create a beautiful and stunning Instagram post on technology. So let's get started. We will go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best best graphic designing tool. You don't need to be an experienced graphic designer, or you don't need to be like graphic knowledge. You can just have to start. So let's get started. I click on create a design, and here I search Instagram post portrait square. So I choose square. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed. So here I search technology. As you can see, it shows us different beautiful technology related templates. You can choose any of them, and I think I like this one. I can change the style. Just wait for some seconds. Yeah, the style is changed, and you have good to go. So first of all, I would like to change the photo, like the chair tech square, and this image is good. Martin IT Solutions name, and take presence with us in IT. And you can also customize the text, etc. You can also, I write here dummy website name itsol.com, and I think that's it. So guys, as you know, uh, as you see that we created our technology Instagram post, and within 2 to 3 minutes you just have to get details from the client and put it in that template. So that's it. So our Instagram post is ready, guys. In case if you don't know about canva.com, go to my channel Iron Tech and go to playlist sections, and from here I uploaded different courses. These all are the premium skills, and also you can search here free Canva designing course. Watch this playlist. You can know all about Canva. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and learn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.